Hello everyone. In this video we will discuss about the extra virgin olive oil and the simple olive oil. Olive oil and extra virgin olive oil are both made from olives, but the method of extracting the oil is different. As a result, they have different colors, tastes and health properties. So I will tell you, is extra virgin olive oil better than olive oil? We will compare both the olive oils and we will discuss about the storage conditions and the cooking conditions of both the oils. So let's start the video. Many types of oil are available on the market, including vegetable, canola, avocado, walnut and coconut oil, etc. It can be difficult to know which oil is the best. Do they actually taste different? Is one more healthful than the other? And the uses of different oils vary. Olive oil has a great flavor that makes it suitable for adding uncooked to salad or bread, and it is relatively heat stable for cooking. The main types of fat in olive oil, which mainly consists of oleic acids, are monosaturated fatty acids, which health experts agree are a healthful fat. In contrast, saturated fats and trans fats are unhealthful fats, and eating these kinds of fats will lead us to health conditions including heart disease, stroke and obesity. Now let's discuss about the difference between olive oil and the extra virgin olive oil. Most of the modifiers that go before olive oil, such as virgin or extra virgin, refer to the process that manufacturers use to produce the oil. Extra virgin olive oils have undergone the least processing. So when the manufacturer processes the oil, they clean it with chemicals and then heat it. These processes prolong the shelf life, which is great for the food industry, but they may strip away a lot of oil's flavor and some of its benefits. According to the research, extra virgin olive oil has more polyphenols than regular olive oil. Polyphenols are a type of antioxidant and they have many health benefits. Refining olive oil strips it of its vitamins, polyphenols and other natural ingredients. So many people find that extra virgin olive oil has a more pleasant taste than olive oils that have undergone more processing. So fresh, unprocessed extra virgin olive oil should taste a bit fruity, a little bitter, similar to biting into an olive, and slightly peppery. If the oil tastes metallic, flavorless or musty, this may be due to over-processing or the oil might have gone bad. Many people like cold pressed, unfiltered or stone pressed products when choosing which extra virgin olive oil to purchase. With these options, the oil has not undergone heating or filtering, which usually adds chemical to the oil. People may prefer to use extra virgin olive oil in place of regular olive oil because, first of all, it has undergone less processing and they find it to have a more pleasant taste, and it contains fewer chemicals. It is higher in antioxidants, vitamins and other natural ingredients. So these are the benefits of extra virgin olive oil. Now there are two more terms which are used for olive oil, such as pure and light. So pure olive oil is a blend of extra virgin olive oil and processed oils. People can check the label to find out exactly what's in the oil before buying it. Some light virgin oils are a blend too. The term light refers to the flavor of the oil rather than the calorie content. Light oils are often processed and refined, which strips down the color as well as the flavor. Processing makes the oil last longer, and it also makes it possible to heat the oil to a higher temperature, which is good for cooking. However, it adds chemicals and take out nutrients. The best place to store olive oil is somewhere cool, dark and dry place. It is best to place it somewhere where it will not get radiant heat either from appliances or the sun. Doing this will keep the oil fresh for longer. When using olive oil for cooking, it is important to keep the heat level in mind. The smoke point is the temperature at which the oil begins to break down, become carcinogenic and release smoke into the air. In other words, it is when the oil starts to burn. If oil starts to burn or catch fire, a person should throw it away, that used oil, and start over again with the new quantity of the oil. Now there are some oils which are relatively healthful for cooking and preparing food, such as olive oil, safflower oil, sunflower oil, soybean, canola, corn, peanut oil. These all oils are relatively healthful for cooking. They recommend using these fats instead of solid fats such as butter, shortening, or lard, and tropical oils such as palm and coconut oil, as these types can have a lot of saturated fat. Olive oil is cholesterol free, gluten free, sugar free, and also sodium free. The monosaturated fats in olive oil may help reduce bad cholesterol and increase good cholesterol. So the nutrition of olive oil is, it contains, like, per tablespoon of olive oil contains 14-gram fat, 0-gram fiber, 0-gram protein, 0-gram carbs, and 119 calories. And finally, let's talk about the health benefits of extra virgin olive oil and why we should use it in our daily diet. Number 1, it works as an anti-inflammatory. Number 2, it boosts hair and skin health. Number 3, it protects against diabetes. Number 4, it protects against insulin resistance. Number 5, reduces heart problems and diabetes. Number 6, reduces high blood pressure. Number 7, improves blood cholesterol levels. Number 8, assists in weight loss. Number 9, boosts your metabolism. Number 10, it improves the digestion. Number 11, it helps in the aging process. Number 12, it protects against osteoporosis. Number 13, it prevents gallstones. Number 14, it strengthens healthy cell walls. Number 15, it protects against hypertension. Number 16, and the last one, it fights mood disorders and depression. So these are lots of benefits of olive oil, and we need to include this in our daily diet to improve our health. Now let's summarize this video. Extra virgin olive oil is the least processed form of olive oil. Due to this, it retains its natural antioxidants and vitamins, which are often lost during processing. This makes it a more healthful oil rather than regular olive oil, but also make it a little more expensive. In general, oils that contains monosaturated fatty acids, which include olive oil, are a healthful addition to the diet, especially when people use them to replace sources of saturated and trans fats. However, it is best to eat high-fat foods in moderation. Even healthful fats are low in nutrients and high in calories. That's it for the video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Thank you so much.